Alright, so I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm bringing y'all a whole different type of video. I'm bringing y'all like a little, it's gonna be like a new series kinda, but this video is really gonna be a banger. So let me just get to explaining the video. So let's get straight to it. Let's go. Alright, so in this video, this new series I'm doing, I will be bringing up different little fashion icons, people who can dress, YouTubers, rappers. Anybody y'all can think of who can dress, I will be trying to do it in this little series. Now, y'all gotta sub because I'm doing different type of series. I'm doing the dressing like blank series. I'm doing the fashion school. I'm still got fashion school coming. One of them episodes will drop soon. I got what other series I got? Oh, DIYs. Custom with Kim. I got that. I got so many series coming. So I'm telling you, 2021 finna go crazy. We at least hitting 25K this year. I promise it to you. But yeah, so in this series, I am gonna be getting in this whole series, I'm finna be getting all fashion icons, whatever fashion people who can dress, all type of people, and I will be breaking down their style for the first part of the video. Then y'all gotta wait to the end of the video, and then I will be making one fit out of trying to reap out of their style. If you get what I'm saying. So the first part of the video, I'm finna be teaching y'all how to dress like these certain type of people, how to where you can get clothes from for these certain type of people, how to dress like these certain type of people, what kind of style they have, all this type of stuff with these certain people. And then at the end of the video, y'all gotta wait to the end. Y'all gotta stay tuned, watch the full video, wait to the end of the video because I am gonna be pulling off an outfit dressing like whoever I do in that episode. So yeah, now let's get on to the real video, and yeah, let's get straight to it. Let's get it. Let's go.
Dip gang in this bitch, spend a whole lot of rest in this fit. Fuck a whole bunch, tryna get rich, I ain't never tricked over no bitch. And my niggas bust down your bitch, let's bust down on my wrist. And I ain't never tell on shit, I don't know how to work my lips. Nigga make my moody, yeah, I get dipped. Stuff my pocket with a whole lot of crips. I'm going out the top, I don't need no script. All of these bands all I would've went.
Alright, so I don't know what I'm gonna name the series yet, but y'all heard what I was finna do. So in this episode, the first episode will be PAPPIIQ. I will be breaking down his style, and then I will be pulling off a fit at the end of the video. So the first thing about breaking down his style, we have to find out what his style is, what kind of clothes he wears, what's he's really notable for. So you just gonna I'm gonna head over to his Instagram, find a couple fits that I like, find fits that really make PAPPIIQ. So I'm gonna catch back up with y'all once I find them fits. So let's get straight to it. Let's go. Here are the 4 fits I decided to pick out for this little video. Now, when you look at PAPPIIQ style, now the reason I am doing PAPPIIQ is because my boy Orlando. Now I seen his video about him dressing like PAPPIIQ, how to dress like PAPPIIQ. So I decided he didn't really go in depth and breaking it down that much, but he did pull off some tough fits and stuff. So I decided, let me break down PAPPIIQ's fit. Let me really analyze and see what's his style and stuff, and then try to pull off a fit at the end of the video. So yeah, I'm gonna have a link to my boy's Orlando video in the description. That video did go crazy. He got 1,000 something views on that. That's crazy. I'm telling y'all, we on to come up with this shit. But yeah, so the first fit of PAPPIIQ is this one. Now, if you watch one of my old videos where I dress like PAPPIIQ, Cash K, and Jaden Grundy, you would see this fit, you remember this fit because this is the fit I try to base it off of. Now, when I try to dress like PAPPIIQ then, I was just trying to go off of this fit. But now, since I'm figuring out his style and stuff, that's what I'm going off on at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. So, with PAPPIIQ, he wears a lot of fitted hats now. He wears a lot of fitted hats with spikes on it, or he either just has a regular fitted hat. It's either black or red. I don't really see him wearing no other type of colors but black and red when it comes to the fitted hats. Then for the shirt, Quan, he's skinny, so he wears a lot of baggy shirts or baggy hoodies, baggy anything like that. So I gotta keep that in mind when I'm trying to pull off a fit later. But he does wear a lot of baggy clothes, not baggy clothes, but baggy shirts. His shirts are baggy, and the sweatshirts he wears or hoodies he wears look baggy or whatever. There for the pants. Now the thing about Quan, he always wearing either gray or black pants. He even mentioned this in one of his videos. He says he don't wear blue jeans. He just sticks to black pants. So
I got some black jeans because I usually typically only wear black jeans.
I gotta keep that in mind. And they are skinnies. I see him wear cargo sometimes, but most of his fits are with black skinny jeans or stacks. He kind of is the person that like made stacks like kind of like hot real quick right now. But yeah, so stacks, like oversized kind of shirt. And then with Quan, he either gonna wear his Forces, some Jordans. He wears like different type of shoes, the Maharas, the Ricks, and he really the Ravs. He has a lot of shoes, so he just mix and match with that. But most of the time, his shoes are either real skinny or real bulky. So the next fit I looked at was this right here. As you see, he got the black hat with the spikes on it. Then he has a Supreme black hoodie. It's kind of big, like I said. And then he has these red, like I want to say that cargo. I seen them on minimal, but I don't know what they call like button cargos, whatever. And then like I said, with the bulky kind of shoe with the fours with the black hats. Now his fits aren't like super outrageous. They're not like super vibrant, super loud. He sticks to like a few colors, the blacks and then the reds and then the grays and the whites. So that's really what Quan's style is. Like he sticks to like these like main colors and he just pulls off different fits and has different pieces. So you got the Supreme, what's it called? That's like his statement piece in this fit. Then he got the red pants, which is also a statement piece. Of course, the black fitted, like I said. So yeah, and then next is this another fit. Like I said, baggy top with the hoodie and then the flannel. Skinny jeans, black skinny jeans. He said he only wear black skinny jeans, black and gray, whatever. Then he got the white Maharas with the trucker hat. Now, Quan, bro, this nigga Quan has a big ass forehead. I was watching one of his videos. Oh my gosh, that nigga's forehead is big as fuck. So he always wears some hats. But this fit is very tough and it's like all color coordinated. Like I said, he sticks to the blacks, grays, as you see in this fit. So that's really something to stick into. Now the last fit that I like, that I chose for this outfit, for this video, is this fit. Now, like I said, black or red hat. He has the black hat. I think this is the same one we seen earlier with the Supreme. So black hat with the little spikes. Then he has like I said, big oversized shirt. Like he's skinny. Like I'm skinny too, so I would wear like a big shirt like that too. So big hoodie with a shirt under it, like a kind of long shirt, because it's like you can see it under the hoodie. Then black stacks, like I said, he only wearing black jeans. Come on now, I noticed. Like, come on, I'm analyzing. So then he got the Ravs on his feet. So like I said, so when it comes to these type of fits, he is wearing blacks, reds, grays, just really like common colors. He doesn't really go too flashy. He doesn't really go out there. I don't really think that's his style. I think he likes to keep it. I think he likes to have like the fire pieces, but just like in subtle tones, so he doesn't look like he's really going too wild, too crazy. So that's the analyzing part of this video. Now we finna hop on the Mac, and I'm finna try to make one outfit out of like just online outfit, and then just show y'all where to get some of these pieces from. So I'm catching back up with y'all once we doing that. So straight to that part of the video, and let's get it, let's go. So I did end up finding a fire fit online, and it's actually affordable. So I'm gonna just run through the pieces that I got, and then I'm gonna explain why I did pick them. So the first piece that I picked had to be a shirt. So the shirt I ended up picking out was this this Storytime with Satan shirt. Now it is like a kind of weird, like demonic shirt, but I do think it would be something Quan would wear. And if not this exact shirt, I think it would be like a type of shirt like this with like the black and red with like a little pop of like other colors. So I think this is like a perfect shirt, and I found it on this thing called Teen Hearts. It's only $13, and it, like I said, I wanted to give y'all something with an affordable price. So this graphic tee would be tough, and then pairing it up with the hoodie I got. Now the reason I picked out this hoodie, y'all seeing right here, is because it is cheap. It's $20, and if y'all haven't seen Quan's new merch, he does have like a design like, well, it's not like this. It's like a what was it? It's a cozy on the side, like right here, a cozy on the side, and then it has like a something on the back. Now I think this would be like, the perfect hoodie jacket he would wear, just because it resembles his merch, like his clothing brand so much. So that's why I picked this, and it's only $20, and it is kind of oversized. So it would be perfect because Quan wears oversized shit. So to pair up with that shirt and that hoodie, I had to find some pants. Now, it wasn't hard finding pants. I just went on H&M, seen these pants right here. I'm thinking they're like $25. So these are perfect pants. They're just black skinny jeans. Now, and the thing about H&M, they had like longer sizes. So you would have to make your stacks, but on Amazon, or not Amazon, I say Amazon, H&M, you can, like I think they had like a 32, 34. So I would be able to like stack them a little bit. It would be like a little bit stacked. But yeah, so I think that will all pair up together. And then for the shoes, now I was gonna find some Maharas or some shit like that, but I wanted to be affordable for y'all. Scully, one of y'all favorite YouTubers. So if y'all wanted to dress like him, y'all would need some like type of chucks. And my boy Orlando did have like the regular basic chucks in his video, but I'm thinking I wanted to do something different. I don't want to just have y'all going out in some regular chucks. Or he had the CDGs too, so I was gonna pick the CDGs, but I seen these and they were lit. They were cheaper and they just looked way different. So this is the Not a Chuck, and it's cheap. It's $80 on StockX right now. So this would just be tough. Like I know you see Quan wearing the Ricks, the Maharas. So these would be like another alternative. They're still a Converse, but they look way different. They look way tougher. And it's still going with that black and white look. So, and then you know you know what I had to do, bro. You already know what I had to do. You have to have a hat when you're trying to dress like that boy Quan. So I went on Hat Club, seen this Angels hat for $42. Now that's what hats are gonna run you, and it's just a basic black and white hat with a gray brim. So yeah. So I didn't do no calculations. The calculations will be on the screen, like this how much the fit would cost if you was trying to buy it. But yeah, so for that, I'm just telling y'all don't have to have like Quan's money in order to try to dress like him. But I do think the money actually helps because you can get more pieces and stuff. But like I said, I put off that fit right there will be tough. Like it will most definitely be Instagram worthy. That shit is tough. Like. And it's actually cheap. So that's really gonna cap it off on pulling off a fit like Quan. Now, well, finding a fit like Quan. Now if y'all made it to this video, the end of this video right here, I'm finna be trying to pull off a fit like Quan. I'm finna go in my closet. I'm finna come back to y'all, I'm finna come back to y'all with the clothes, show y'all what I got, and then flick up, take B-roll, whatever, and then I'ma just let y'all rate it in the comment section. Let me know how y'all fuck with it. So let's get to me showing y'all the clothes. So let's get straight to it. Let's get it. Let's go. Alright, so I do got the fit, but before I get into the fit, now I did buy these spikes and then to put on the hat. But I been had these spikes when Quan first started doing that, like spikes on the hat. But because I was gonna end up like making my hats like that, but then I realized I'm not finna just like actually like jock this nigga's like real shit, cause like he actually made that shit. So I was just gonna let him have it because I didn't want to really like copy another niggas to like the exact point. Cause like if I actually had my hat like this every single day, niggas would know that I got that idea from Quan, and ain't nothing wrong with that really, but I just didn't want to do it. So I am gonna do it for this video because I'm dressing like Quan, so I have to have some type of Quan look with the fucking spikes on it. So I'm gonna just put the rest of these spikes on here, and yeah, I gotta figure out what's something to do with these spikes that's not with the hat, cause Quan just came out with his brand 2 and a hat, the fitted hats with the spikes. So I don't want to I don't want to put the spikes on the hat, but so I'm trying to figure out something different to do with them. I was thinking about putting around like a crew neck or something, because I have a lot of crew necks, and I think putting around like the neck of the crew neck would look tough. I might end up still doing that, but yeah, now I'm gonna catch back up with y'all once I'm actually showing y'all the fit. I just had to mention that I was doing the little Quan spikes on the hat. So yeah, alright, so I am finna be showing y'all the fit. So y'all already seen this because I just showed y'all, but I got this, I finished doing the spike. It's just a fitted hat with the like Quan spikes on them. Then for the shirt, I got this slightly oversized graphic tee, the Stray Cats graphic tee. Now the reason I did it because it kind of pairs well with this. So yeah, then for the jeans, now I don't got that many more skinny jeans no more. I kind of sold all of them, or they just don't fit no more. But I got these like gray and black wash skinny jeans. Now the reason I got these is because of this picture right here. They kind of like resemble each other. So I got these, and then for the shoes, I just got my CDGs. Now the reason I picked these, I was gonna do some forces, but I haven't worn these in like a minute, and I haven't put them in a video in a minute too. So I decided to show them some love. But get on to that B-roll. Let's see how that's looking. So let's get straight to it. Let's get it. Let's go.
I was the weirdest one in class. Unfortunate, I got a bag. Fuck. Bitch, 16 and I got this gas. Red flag on my right, nigga, I say black. Little nigga got zip like a Ziploc bag. Little bro on a zip, ended up getting bad. Your bitch tried to dig me, to sad a little bitch. Niggas know not to battle with my clique. More obstacles, more attachments on my stick. Your hoe in the.
So this is like the end of the video, and at the end of the video, I will be rating how I like the person style and how I think I did recreating it. So how I like PAPPIIQ style, I give it a. I want to start something like I know Jaden Grundy got the bats, so I want to do like, let me see. Let me just go to my recent emoji and figure this out, cause I feel like I should start that, cause like, duh. But let me go to my recent emoji, see what's that talking about. All right, the race car. So on the racetrack, on the race car scale from 1 to 10, I'm gonna give Quan a 9 because this was a style I used to look up to. Like, he was one of the influencers that like really got me into fashion. So I'm gonna give it a 9. Now the reason I didn't give it a 10 because I wouldn't dress like this now. Like, I mean, I probably would pull a fit like this here and there, but this is not my main style. I will pull a fit like this if I'm trying to like go to the mall or just do chill stuff. I'll pull off a fit like this. But on how good I recreated it, I'll give it a 7. I'll give it a 7 or 8 because I didn't have like the super stacks and my shirt wasn't very oversized. So I give like a 7 or 8, 7.5. But yeah, so that's gonna cap it off for this video. We on the road to 500 subs. I'm telling you, I have bangers coming. I'm trying to drop either twice a week or 3 times a week from now on for the rest of the month of February. Now I think I can do it, and I think by doing that, just pushing out more content, pushing out quality content, that will boost like the views, it will make the YouTube algorithm put me more out there on like the recommended pages and stuff. So yeah, I will be dropping either 2 to 3 videos a week. Alright, in the month of February. So yeah, that's gonna end off the video. Drop down in the comments who I should do next, because I know y'all trying to figure out how to dress like so-and-so and so-and-so. So y'all gotta tell me. Y'all gotta drop down in the comments, let me know. And yeah, road to 500 subs, and yeah, I'm out! Kayla, be quiet! At the end of all these